In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front sway bar link on a Subaru Forester. It's located behind the front wheel. After you've raised and supported the vehicle safely, you need to remove your 5 lug nuts. These are 19mm nuts. And remove your wheel. Once you remove your wheel, your sway bar link is held on by 2 17mm nuts. Once you start to spin this nut, the shaft is going to want to spin. At the very end here, there's a 4mm Allen. You can insert your wrench first, insert your Allen. If that Allen does strip out, you can take a pair of pliers and hold the back side here and remove your nut. Remove your pliers and do the same to the other side. Now your back nut. Once you remove your 2 nuts, you need to remove your sway bar link from the sway bar and lower control arm. You can just take a pry bar and pull it out. There's your link. Your new sway bar link comes with a nut on the inside. That's a 14mm, so you can hold that while you put your nut on. Install your 2 nuts and tighten them down. And those 2 nuts get torqued down at 33 foot-pounds. To install your wheel, slide your wheel over your lug nut studs and install your lug nuts. You want to tighten those in a star pattern. And torque those down to 65 foot-pounds. Once you've lowered your car down to a flat surface, now it's time to torque. You also want to torque in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.